Hey Sweet Lifers, this is episode 2 of our quick houseplant pest cheat sheets, and we're going to talk about a specific type of thrips that seem to be overtaking the flower type thrips that we've seen before. We're going to talk about Echinothrips. So the way to identify them is primarily by their color. They're dark brown to nearly black when they're adults. Pale bands can be visible across the wings. Pale yellow larvae stay on the foliage. You can see black fecal specks often appear because of feeding damage. Unlike many flower thrips, they spend most of their life specifically on the leaves. Now, what they do to your plants. They puncture leaf cells, creating silvery gray or bronze patches, very similar to flower thrips. Fine stippling that expands into larger scars, yellowing and leaf drop in heavy infestations, damage on both mature and emerging foliage. And their favorite houseplants are often the same as the flower thrips. Common greenhouse and indoor hosts include Philodendron and Monstera, Anthurium, Syngonium, Alocasia, ficus, and other broad-leaved tropicals. Now, one tiny note. This echinothrip is especially comfortable on the foliage. Now, beneficial insects. This is where it becomes different for the echinothrips from the flower thrips. First of all, you have to isolate them, remove heavily scarred leaves, and inspect the undersides carefully, and repeat treatment because eggs are protected inside the leaf tissue. So you're going to have to keep going, or you're going to have to provide something that will be uptaken into the plant, a systemic, so that it can actually protect the plant from the inside out. But the beneficial insects are where it's very important. The Swirsky type is the most useful against young larvae that are specific to echinothrips. Now, you can use the other beneficial insects that are listed here, and there's also chemical options, insecticidal soap or horticultural oil with excellent coverage. And spinosad where labeled, but again, banned in Canada. A registered indoor ornamental product that's specifically labeled for thrips may or may not work. Beneficial insects are definitely the best way to go for echinothrips. Save this one, echinothrips are often mistaken for ordinary flower thrips until the foliage is so badly scarred it's unrecoverable.